Hosted by Matt Riches.
Trillion-dollar tickers. Watch the market unfold. Trillion-dollar tickers. Turning data to gold. Trillion-dollar tickers. Watch the market unfold. Trillion-dollar tickers. Turning data to gold. Trillion-dollar tickers. Watch the market unfold. Trillion-dollar tickers. Turning data to gold. Peace.
Grand Rising, Joyous Awakenings. Good afternoon or good evening, wherever you're tuning in from around the globe. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Welcome to the Trillion Dollar Tickers broadcast. I'm your host, Matt Riches. It is Sunday, August 9th, 2026. Happy Sunday. SpaceX just delivered its best week ever, gaining almost 23% and closing only 39 cents below its weekly high. Meta and Tesla also rallied, while Berkshire.B and Eli Lilly finished the week positive. SpaceX reported quarterly revenue of $7.8 billion, representing a 92% year-over-year growth. Buyers also absorbed the volatility surrounding the expiration of the company's lockup period. Meanwhile, Berkshire.B released earnings this weekend, revealing approximately $4.5 billion in share repurchases and a $10 billion investment in Google. So all the companies for today, we're doing SpaceX, Meta, Tesla, Berkshire.B, and Eli Lilly. Well, for this episode, not for today, because I did some other episodes earlier. I did the semis and I did the digital titans. So let's get into it, y'all. Let's get on these charts. Starting with SpaceX. You can see this huge candle to the upside here of 22.8%. It ended up closing the week at 133.11. To the downside support, we got 127.60, 120.10, 114.55, 109.35, 105. To the upside resistance, we got 137.75, 144.90, 150.55, 153.50. All right. Let's check out some technicals on here on the week. Oh, looks like there's not enough data for this. So let's go to the day. Let's see. We got a buy on the oscillators, buy on the summary, strong buy on the moving averages. Let's check out the forecast. We got 33 analyst forecasts. Somebody gave the forecast 800 over 500%. To the upside from here, but the average is 69% upside. That's going to give a price of $225. The current is $133. Wow, this is 1 year price targets. The most bearish analyst has a $75 price target. 40 analysts over the past 3 months gave it a buy. That's very interesting. Very, very interesting. All right, let's check out the algo. See what the algo says. The algo did give it a buy here. A brand new buy signal on the daily that will open up when the market opens on Monday. So if you want to hop in, this brand new buy signal from the algo, feel free. Let's check out the weekly. See if we got a buy on the weekly too. No. Do not have no trade at all on the weekly. All right, next up, we got Meta Platforms. Meta, good week, up 6.3%. Ended up closing the week at 592.10. To the downside support, we got 588.45, 545.60, 580.10, 575.45, 571.80, 567.45. 562. To the upside resistance, we got 595.60, 598.75, $600.45, 604.90, 611.25, and then we get to the gap. The gap begins at 614.65. Let's check out the SMAs. So this is the 20 SMA, this is the 50 SMA, and this is the 200 SMA. So we're underneath all SMAs today. I mean this week. We did reject this 50 EMA on Wednesday. So be aware of that for Meta. Let's check out the algo, see what we got. Did we check out the algo for SpaceX? We did. Okay, we got a buy signal here on Meta on Monday, August 3rd. The entry is 590. The stop loss is 559, and TP1 is 621. TP2 652. TP3 682. So you're just less than $2 from the entry point if you still want to take this trade and follow the algo. All right, let's check out the technicals on the week. We got a buy on the oscillators, a sell on the summary, strong sell on the moving averages. On the monthly, we got a neutral on the oscillators, neutral on the summary, neutral on the moving averages. As far as seasonality, August from 2021 to 2025, we got 3 green Augusts and 2 red Augusts so far. A nice green start for August on Meta platforms. Let's check out some analyst price targets. So 58 analysts offering 1-year price forecast. The current price is $592. The bears say $580. The average of these 58 analysts says 26% to the upside, which will be $748. And our most bullish price target is 1,000. That is 68% to the upside. Out of 70 analysts given a 3-month price rating, strong buy is the majority. All right, next let's check out Tesla. Tesla on the week up 5.5%. That's a good week. All right, end up closing the week at 328.58. To the downside support, we have 326.50, 322.80, 321.25, 320.15, 317.25, 315.50, 313.20, 310.45. To the upside resistance, we got 332.25, 333.75, 337.25, 342.75, which is inside the gap. There is a huge gap because remember that huge gap down after earnings. The gap begins at 342.15 and goes all the way to 372.92. All right, let's check out some of the SMAs. We are underneath all SMAs. This is the 20 SMA, this is the 50 SMA, this is the 200 SMA. As far as the SMAs, we are very bearish on Tesla. Let's check out the algo, see if we got any new signals. No, we just had a signal here. That was prior to the earnings sell-off. So let's check out the 4-hour and see if we have a more recent signal. That's after the sell-off. Okay, we did get a strong buy here on Friday, July 31st. And we're up $5 from here. The stop loss is 309. TP1 is 337. Then 351 and then 365. So if you want to rock with the 4-hour, that's what the algo has for Tesla. Let's check out the technicals on the weekly. We got a buy on the oscillator, sell on the summary, strong sell on the moving averages. On a month, we got a buy on the oscillators, neutral on the summary, sell on the moving averages. Let's check out the seasonality. For August 2021 through 2025, we got 2 green Augusts and 3 red Augusts. But so far, we are green, so keep that in mind. Let's check out some analyst forecasts. 39 analysts offering 1-year price forecast. The most bearish forecast wants Tesla at $24. Wow, that's a 92% discount from where it's at now. The average out of these 39 analysts wants price up 14%. That'll leave it at $375. And our most bullish analyst wants the price at 600. That'll be 82% upside. Out of 49 analysts giving stock ratings over the past 3 months, buy is the majority. All right, next, let's check out Berkshire.B. On the weekly, we are up 2%. That's a decent week. Ended up closing the week at 521.80. To the downside support, we got 518.80, 517.20, 513.90, 512.20, and 508.80. To the upside, we do have the beginning of this gap here. Inside the gap, we got 522, 525.45, 528.30, 533.35, and then the top of this gap at 535.14. All right, let's check out the SMAs, see what we got. We are above all 3 SMAs. This is the 20, the 50, and the 200 SMAs. So we are looking bullish as far as the SMAs are concerned. Let's check out the algo, see what we got. We did get a strong buy here on Tuesday, July 28th. The entry was 512. It came down for a couple of days and then started back up. And it did hit TP1 on Thursday the 6th. So if you still believe in this trade, TP2 is going to be 538. I would wait for it to get a close over TP1 before I believe it was headed to TP2. So keep that in mind, y'all. All right, let's check out the technicals. On the week, we got a neutral on the oscillator, strong buy on the summary, strong buy on the moving averages. On the month, we got neutral on the oscillator, strong buy on the summary, strong buy on the moving averages. Let's check out seasonality. For August, August is normally green on Berkshire.B. The only red August from 21 to 25 was in 2022, the worst year since the financial crisis. And it's already started out green. It's up 2%. So most likely it'll be a green August. But look out for September. Normally a red September for Berkshire.B. All right, let's check out some analyst forecasts. We only have 3 analyst forecasts on here. 2 of them are red and 1 is green. So not too many forecasts on here. Our super bear says it's going down 11%. Our super bull says it's going up 12%. So that averages out negative 2% from these analysts. 7 analysts gave the stock a rating for the past 3 months. Neutral. Don't buy it or sell it. Just hold it. All right. And lastly, we have Eli Lilly. On the week, up 3.2%. That's a good week. Ended up closing the week at 1,185. To the downside support, we got 1,174, 1,161, 1,153, 1,147, 1,139, which is the top of the gap. And that gap goes to 1,135. For the upside resistance, we got 1,197, 1,217, 1,231, 1,242, and then the all-time high. All right, let's check out the SMAs. We are above all 3 SMAs. This is the 200, this is the 50, and this is the 20. So we did close above all of those SMAs, so we are bearish as far as the SMAs are concerned. Let's check out the algo, see what the algo got. Okay, the algo, we got a sell on the algo back here July 14th. Let's check out the 4-hour and see if we got anything more recent signals here. We did get a buy on Wednesday at 1 a.m. So had you got in at 1,170, you did not take profit while the market was open, but you are up $15. So that's it for Eli Lilly. Check out the technicals. On the week, we got neutral on the oscillator, strong buy on the summary, strong buy on the moving averages. On the month, we got neutral on the oscillators, buy on the summary, and strong buy on the moving averages. Let's check out the seasonality. More green than red on August. Okay. Yeah, they usually have great August. Look at this, 21% in August 2023, 19% in August 2024. Just down 1% last year, and it was down in 2022, 6% in 2021. Already up 3%. And we got 3 more weeks of August, so let's see how it goes, y'all. Let's check out some forecasts. This one has 26 analysts 1-year price targets. The lowest target is 850. That'll be down 28%. The average target is up 12%. That'll be 1,328. And our most bullish analyst has it at 1,680, which is an upside of 41%. And out of 31 analysts over the past 3 months, we have buy as the average, y'all. All right.
Chase excellence, never chase money. Why? Because money has an incredible way of finding excellence. Did you chase excellence and not money? Do you have the intellectual curiosity to learn everything you can about this incredible industry and master it? Become the smartest person in the room. Have you mastered it?
Check out this song, y'all. Just made it yesterday. Slapping.
Sure. $1 trillion tickers. Precincts. Before you master the market, you gotta master yourself. It ain't the money that traps us, it's our emotions tied to it. We were taught how to use money to survive, but never taught how money is used to create freedom. Today, we rewrite the code. See, we clocked in hours, got taxed to the bone. Now I borrow off my credit, let my cash stay home. From overtime grind to leveraging plays. Now I let assets talk while I study the waves. Used to trade on my time just to earn every check. Now I'm learning how flex, dollars connect. Money ain't the destination, it's a tool that I use. Either put it to work or let it work you. Trade me on the trigger, and be on the check. Freedom mind first, then you earn respect. Labor gave his limits, now we move with skill. Purpose in my profit, faith funds the will. I'm not afraid of green, I let it breathe and grow. No panic in my post when the trend run low. Strategic with the cash, gotta know what to do. Use money or be used. That choice is on you. Emotions had me shook when the chart turned red. Now I zoom out time frames, bigger move instead. Had to break free from that working class script. Now I talk to the market like we gon' flip. Fear used to control every trade I made. Now I patiently calm while the market plays. Red days don't define me, I execute my plan. Mastering money, emotions, now I understand. Stay on the trigger, think beyond the check. Freedom mind first, then you earn respect. Labor gave us limits, now we move with skill. Purpose in my profit, faith funds the will. I'm not afraid of green, I let it breathe and grow. No panic in my post when the trend runs low. Strategic with the cash, gotta know what to do. Use money or be used. That choice is I used to chase green like it might run out. Now I sit in the dip, I don't move off doubt. The goal ain't just income, it's building control. Letting money work while I'm guarding my soul. Every dollar got a purpose, every move got a intent. I invested for tomorrow or strategically spent. I don't worship the money, I just give it a route. Make the money serve the mission, that's what freedom's about. If you still panic every time it drops, that's not a market problem, that's a mindset block. You ain't just losing trades, you losing trust until you master your emotions. Profits always feel like be on the trigger, you be on the check. Freedom mind first, then you earn respect. Labor gave us limits, now we move with skill. Purpose in my profit, faith funds the will. I'm not afraid of green, I let it breathe and grow. No panic in my pulse when the trend runs low. Strategic with the cash, gotta know what to do. Use money or be used. That choice is on you. It was never just about the market, it was about the mirror. You're not just battling bulls and bears, you battling your blueprint. Master your emotions. Use money with wisdom, or money will use your wounds. Mad riches, peace, blessings, financial freedom.